everybody, today I will be reviewing, and here it is, Motorized Paxton. Oh yes, and yes, that's right everybody, I finally got Motorized Paxton. Let's open him. So let's have a look at the wagon first. Here's the wagon with a removable slate, and just a yellow navigator wagon, slate, and here is Paxton. Okay. Thanks for watching everybody, and goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.